Okay, so after some rest and lunch, I'm heading out. Time to go to Turtuk and Thang. Let's see, apparently I don't have much time. It's already 3. And Google Maps is showing me an ETA of 5 p.m. So by the time I'm back, it'll be 7 p.m. Which means I'll probably have to skip going to the Maitreya Buddha statue. So Turtuk is supposed to be one of the most beautiful villages here. I don't want to miss that. I can miss the Maitreya Buddha statue. The natural beauty is definitely what I'm looking for. Oh, the shadow of the mountain. So mysterious. Immediately the environment is cooler over here. Okay, Turtuk, here we come. Showing 1 hour 58 minutes for an 81-kilometer ride. So I'm sure the road's not gonna be like this all through. Under bridge. So now I'm not carrying all my vlogging equipment, just the GoPro on my helmet, my mobile gimbal and my iPhone. So basically I don't have my tripod stand anymore. I left it at the room. I wanted to do this lightweight trip. What is all this oil spill? Dangerous. What a road, what a view. So true. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone. And if you want to really live your life, go adventure. There, the lovely road had to end somewhere. Justifying the time showed by Google Maps to reach Turtuk. Now we are back to a dusty old road. And mountain surface looks as if it's glazed or something. Nice. Glassy mountain. There's literally nothing in the road. Huh? The whole road is very desolate. I mean, I saw some kind of shops just coming in Diskit village, but otherwise I don't see a thing. Lovely. Wow. You know, it's so desolate and it's wonderful. Truly an adventure destination. Nubra Valley and Turtuk. People are running here as well. That's just wonderful. And this place is really desolate. This nice road weren't there, it would feel like this is the land of no hope. Something like Erebus, the Greek underworld. There could be a passage to the underworld somewhere here, hidden deep within the mountains. Who knows? The place is desolate enough to qualify as being the entrance. Wow, amazing view. Feels good to see few more bikers. At least I'm not the only crazy person going to Turtuk. Somewhere on a journey, don't forget to turn around and enjoy the view. I am doing that all the time. Ew, that was too close. Wow, look at this. Weird structures. Wow. Oh, this is awesome. Feels like I'm in some cave. Extreme adventure. Well, now I don't have any luggage to bother about, so it should be a little bit easier. So there is something about being able to go till the furthest point of your country in the north before they say stop. This is where the next country's border begins. This is not really true in our case. It's not really the next country. It's the POK border which will start. Wow. Amazing. Superb views. And their best experience on a bike. Now let's turn into a big river. This is all Shyok River. What I am not understanding is that river is going northward. Shouldn't it be flowing southward? Wow, sand dunes. Oh, It's definitely from some other planet. It looks like a big giant arena with some monster in the middle, hidden somewhere, waiting for prisoners to be thrown there to fight. Amazing, out of this world. Wow, look at that huge rock. It definitely does feel like I'm in some other planet. Look at this. Look at the rock fall. Look at that mountain. It looks as if it's carved out of a single stone. So huge. It does feel to me as if I am traveling into the underworld, you know. Things just keep getting stranger and stranger. I'm getting a very different vibe in this place. It is out of this world. I wonder if no YouTuber has covered this part, or at least I have not seen. The ones I have seen have not covered any of this. This natural beauty is what needs to be covered. It's harsh and it's full on adventure. Especially when you're like me, going solo. Oh, look at the force, look at the current of the river. Anybody who falls in there is a goner for sure. Oh, I have to go over that bridge. Superb. This is next level adventure. Okay, slowly. Nice and slow. Hey doggy. What a road! Wow! Super awesome. Just take a look at the river. Wow. Feel as if I'm riding into a wall of mountain. Huge. They're completely blocking out the sun. Look at the river. many clouds here on top of these mountains. I wonder how. I had not seen a single big cloud in the last 2 days since I entered Ladakh. Finally, one board which says Turtuk 10 kilometers. I don't think I'll be stopping in Turtuk. I'll be passing through. I want to get to Thang. And I know I'm risking it a bit, going so close to sunset. But it's okay. Go adventure. Oh, look at that. Look at the rapids. Super awesome. Look at the river. It is not at all a peaceful river. It's boiling all over. Literally. Welcome to Turtuk village. Apricot Cafe and Restaurant. Rustic Edge Restaurant. Lovely. Jaxi 3 kilometers. Weak Bridge. I passed 3 such bridges now. The edge of India. Is this it? It must be. People have parked here. It's now turn. सर इसके आगे एंट्री नहीं है व्हीकल को इसके आगे एंट्री नहीं है। किसको? व्हीकल को एंट्री नहीं है। अच्छा लिख के जाना है। No road is long with good company, and I have very good company. My darling KTM Duke 200. Sentinels of Shiok. Yes. Welcome to border village Thang, last village of India. Distance 3.5 kilometers. And this amazing, awesome Shiok river. Man, what a river. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, I really thought I was gonna fall there. But I got the bike in control. We'll go here nice and slow, no rush, no hurry. You are 2.2 kilometers from Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Wow. Welcome to Indian northernmost and last cafe and restaurant at Thang village. Yes, that is where I want to be. Welcome to Indo-Pak border viewpoint. Super awesome. Hey guys, so besides crossing Khardungla, ever since I heard about this, the last village of India before the POK border starts, I am at Thang village, just about 5 to 6 kilometers ahead of Turtuk, and it's an amazing feeling to be here. It actually says here on certain boards that we are under enemy surveillance. If you see, you are just 2.2 kilometers away from POK. So that's really amazing. So with this, I think I will end my vlog. I have to return back another 90-ish kilometers. But you've already seen the route, so I won't make a vlog of that. I'll catch you in the next one where I will be heading off to Pangong Lake tomorrow. So see you guys.